Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you so much to everybody that has subscribed here on YouTube. Please share this with everybody. The more people that I can reach, the more content I can get, the more new suppliers and products and all that kind of fun stuff can be shown here, and as well as giveaways, because that's what I want to do. But today we are using the Huion HS610 again. Thank you to Huion once again for that. And I decided to do a full tutorial or speed paint on how I paint digitally. Again, I am totally a newbie to this. I've been only doing it for about a month or so. So yeah, it's interesting. I'm using Clip Studio Paint for this tutorial. I've had requests to use other programs, which I will do, and those are free programs as well. Clip Studio Paint is a paid subscription. I believe it's $65 Canadian. Trying to think what else. But I'm using their free trial, so I don't have every feature, but I have all the features that I need in order to do this. And the reason I'm waiting up is because part of my schooling, I need to get Photoshop, so I'm just waiting for the code that I need in order to get the student discount, because Photoshop is no longer purchasable, I guess if that's the right word, as just a Photoshop package. You have to pay a monthly subscription, I believe. I think it's like $30 US when you are a student. Yeah, so that's why I'm just using Clip Studio Paint in the meantime. But the idea is I'm definitely going to purchase Clip Studio Paint either way. It's just right now I want to save some cash, and they offer free trials, so I'm going to use the free trial. So yeah, I decided to do this painting, and I hope you like it. Like I said, I'm not the best or professional or whatever you want to call it towards digital art. But the more that you practice and the more that you do, the better that you are going to get, obviously. So has the techniques and stuff have changed for me? Most definitely. The Huion HS610 has changed everything. Like, I never, like, gosh, I'm lost for words, because every time I make a piece, I'm like, I call my husband and I call my daughter and I'm like, look what I created. I cannot believe that a device like this can create what you see other people doing, like Angel's work, or Carmelinas, whatever her name is, but I think you know who I'm talking about. Her work is amazing. Hello Alice, like a whole bunch of people out there that do digital art, and I used to be like, oh my god, I wish I could do that. Like Lulu Sketches, her stuff is amazing, and I don't know, you just try it and you see what happens. If it doesn't come out, you just keep on practicing. And it does get frustrating in the beginning because you envision what you want it to be, and when you throw it up there, it's like, how do they make that magic work? But with a device like this, the Huion HS610, which is just a tablet that you draw on like this, the pen, and you're drawing on that, and you have to look at the screen in order to do it. Now, like I said previously in my Huion tutorial or review, I am trying to get another collaboration with them in order to do the one that you draw directly onto the actual monitor. So it's a pen display tablet, I believe is how they call it. Yeah, pen display tablet, and it will create the magic right there in front of you as if you're drawing on a piece of paper. It will show up right there. And I think that will even change it even more for me, and I will probably freak out in that video, just so you're prepared. Anyways, here's a really short, I think short, speed paint. It took me about 2 hours to do. For you guys, you might be like, oh my gosh, that took her 2 hours. It might take you half an hour. But like I said, I'm a newbie, and yeah, I really enjoyed this, and I think it turned out so super cute. So in the beginning I was talking about subscribers and all that kind of stuff. If you haven't subscribed yet, click below, subscribe to this channel, share the video to everybody, and hit the notification bell so that you can find out of other information and any contests and any giveaways. Hint, hint, hint. There are giveaways going to be happening. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And follow us on Instagram at kkatzart. So watch the video and I'll be back. Welcome back. Thank you so much for watching the channel and sharing your love with me here. And just follow us on Instagram at kkatzart and like and subscribe like I said before, and hit the notification bell so that you can get all the future information. That's pretty much it. If you have any suggestions for any future videos that you would like to see done on this channel by me, please leave it in the comments below or reach me on Instagram like most of you have been. So thank you for all your love and support. Bye guys.